Hi, do you have a table for two? Good evening. Yes, we do. Would you like to sit inside or outside? Inside, please. It's a bit cold today. Perfect. Follow me, please. Here's your table. Your server will be with you in a moment.
Thank you so much.
This place looks nice. I like the decoration.
Me too. Look at the menu. Everything looks delicious.
Good evening. My name is Tom, and I'll be your server tonight. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, please. I'll have a glass of water.
Do you have orange juice? Yes, we do. Fresh orange juice. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Great. I'll bring those right away and give you a few minutes to look at the menu. What are you going to order?
I'm not sure yet. The pasta looks good. What about you?
I want to try the pizza. Do you like seafood?
Not really. I prefer chicken or beef.
Oh, look. They have a grilled chicken special today.
Perfect. I think I'll get that, and maybe a salad to start.
Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order, or do you need more time?
We're ready. Can we start with a Caesar salad?
Of course. Would you like that as a shared appetizer? Yes, please. We'll share it. Excellent choice. And for your main courses?
I'll have the grilled chicken special, please.
Great. How would you like that cooked?
Medium, please.
And which side dish would you like? We have French fries, steamed vegetables, or mashed potatoes.
I'll take the steamed vegetables, please.
Perfect. And for you, sir?
I'll have the margarita pizza, please. Excellent. Would you like to add any extra toppings? Can I add mushrooms? Of course. Anything else? No, that's everything. Thank you.
Here's your Caesar salad. Your main courses will be ready in about 15 minutes. Enjoy.
Thank you.
This salad looks fresh. Let me get you a plate.
Thanks. I'm so hungry.
Me too. I can't wait for the pizza. Here we go. Grilled chicken special for you and margarita pizza with mushrooms for you. Be careful, the plates are hot.
Wow, this looks amazing.
My pizza smells incredible. Is there anything else I can get for you?
Could we have some black pepper, please?
Of course. I'll bring that right away. Thank you.
This chicken is delicious. How's your pizza?
It's really good. The crust is perfect. Do you want to try a slice?
Sure. Can I give you some of my chicken?
Yes, please. I love trying different dishes.
Oh, this is excellent. The cheese is so fresh.
Your chicken is really tasty too. The vegetables are cooked perfectly. How is everything? Is the food okay?
Everything is wonderful. The chicken is cooked perfectly.
Yes, the pizza is delicious. We're very happy. I'm so glad to hear that. Can I get you anything else? More drinks?
I'll have another water, please.
I'm fine, thank you. No problem. I'll bring that water right away. I'm so full. That was a great meal.
Me too. But look at the dessert menu.
Are you finished with your plates?
Yes, thank you. Everything was delicious.
Wonderful. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
We have chocolate cake, tiramisu, and ice cream today.
What do you recommend?
The tiramisu is our specialty. It's homemade and very popular.
That sounds perfect. We'll share one tiramisu, please.
Here's your tiramisu. Enjoy.
It looks beautiful. Thank you.
Wow, this is amazing. You have to try this.
Oh my goodness. This is the best tiramisu I've ever had.
I agree. This restaurant is definitely going on my favorites list.
That was such a good meal. Should we get the check?
Yes, let's do that. Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Of course, I'll bring that right away. Did you enjoy everything? Yes, everything was perfect. The food was delicious.
And the service was excellent, too. Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'll be right back with your check.
Here's your bill. You can pay whenever you're ready. There's no rush.
How much is it?
Let me see. It's $45. Should we split it?
Sure, that's $22.50 each.
We'll pay with card, please. Perfect. I'll bring the card machine.
Thank you so much for dining with us tonight. We hope to see you again soon.
Thank you. We'll definitely come back.
Yes, everything was wonderful. Have a good evening. You too. Take care.
That was such a nice dinner.
I agree. Next time, let's try their pasta.